Namaskar.
We both sincerely hope that you all enjoyed the grand Guru Purnima event by Manisha Nrutyalaya.
Aditi and me have been extremely lucky to have spent decades with Manisha Pai. And with every shared moment, every concert, every tour, every bandish, we've found ourselves charmed with more and more and more. There is no way that we can express the gratitude and indebtedness that we feel for Tai in entirety.
Tai embodies everything that she teaches. She has taught us with and without words, by just warm touch of her hand and a quick glance of her eyes. We have always felt privileged to have such closeness with Tai. Both of us have been in phases where we had to spend time away from Tai due to life's commitments, but never have we felt an inch of a distance.
I've been part of the Manisha Nrutyalaya family for my entire life. And after having moved to Canada for the past 2 years, I had this strong urge and vision of doing something together with everyone. When the COVID-19 lockdown began, Tai's teachings of sharing positivity with everyone and this thought of doing something together merged into a stronger idea with a purpose. We are such a strong family of dancers that Tai has built, and our strength is our bond. On one of my chats with Aditi, I expressed this to her, and I was not surprised that she was on board within the first few words. We've always been in tune like that. Telepathy, you may say.
When we spoke, Prajakta began and I was literally completing her sentences. We were that much in sync, and which made us think, how did Tai do this? How did we get groomed like this unknowingly? At that time, back in May, we did not know how or what is to be done. But we knew one thing for sure, that we had to do something positively in these trying times. Mulling over our discussions, I realized all the disciples of Manisha Nrutyalaya have same feeling towards Tai. There could be no other occasion than Guru Purnima to express our bonding with her through dance together. With this exact same feelings, we got to work.
The first thing was to lay out the concept and plan. We wanted to make it grand and realized that we needed guidance to pull something of this scale off. We couldn't have asked for a more encouraging and guiding hand than Shambhavi Tai. She not only helped us finalize many aspects, she also boosted us every single step of the way.
Shambhavi Tai gave us solutions whenever we found ourselves stuck. So much so that she choreographed the key piece, the finale of the event too. Shambhavi Tai, saying thank you will diminish what we feel for you. We love you. Planning such a global event across 8 countries and different varying time zones can be done, but execution is a different ballgame. With current restrictions all around, each participant had major challenges to deal with. But the best part was, all of us were determined to make this a success. The support overwhelmed us and drove us more.
We especially want to mention this for every participant of the event. All of us doing this together for Tai has been the most important aspect. While we may not be able to take each person's name here, please know that we are extremely grateful for the unconditional support that all of you gave. We won't thank you because this was our event for Tai, but our hearts are full of gratitude that irrespective of seniority, you all came on board with this idea and made it a success.
We want to mention Manjiri Tai and Shilpa Tai for open-heartedly doing this for us.
Poonam Tai for constantly supporting and feeding us doses of positivity all through.
All our seniors for being diligent in execution of their pieces.
Mithila for the beautiful posters and agreeing to our multiple repeated requests.
All those who weren't presenting a dance piece but were sharing their loving thoughts through words.
And last but not the least, our team of extremely capable and enthusiastic juniors who not only created beautiful and unique pieces but also added spark to this event from all across the world.
Tai, on behalf of all us disciples, we offer our deepest naman to you and seek your blessings on this Guru Purnima.